Good morning, dear scholarites. In GK, we are going to study about the famous inventors and their inventions. The first one is Alexander Graham Bell. He was a Scottish born inventor, scientist, and an engineer who is credited with inventing the telephone. He was born on 3rd March 1847 in United Kingdom. The telephone which we are using nowadays is having lot of modification in it. The basic idea was invented by the Alexander Graham Bell. Then we are having the next inventor, Thomas Alva Edison. He was an American inventor and a businessman who had been described as America's great inventor. He developed many devices like electric power generators, sound recording system, and light bulb. The bulb nowadays we are using was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Then is Benjamin Franklin. He was an American polymath and one of the founding father of US. He discovered electricity. The appliances with which we are running with the electricity was discovered by Benjamin Franklin. Then is James Watt. He was a Scottish inventor, mechanical engineer, and a chemist. He improved Thomas Newcomen's 1712 steam engine with Watt's steam engine in 1776. With the improvement in the engine, there was a revolution in the locomotive sector. The steam engine made by James Watt was like this. Then we are talking about Wright brothers. Orville and Wilbur were two American aviation pioneers generally credited with inventing, building, and flying the world's first successful motor operated airplane. The plane they flight was having a structure like this, but with the advancement in the science, nowadays we are having these kinds of aeroplanes. Then is the Charles Babbage. He was an English mathematician, philosopher, inventor, and an engineer. He originated the concept of digital programmable computer. He is also called the father of computer. He invented the first mechanical computer. The first mechanical computer he invented was like this. It covered a huge space and was big in size. But with the change in time and technology, the size of the computer become small and it occupies less space. Then we are having Thomas Clifford Albert, who was an English physician best known for his role as Commissioner Lunacy in England and Wales. He invented the first 6-inch clinical thermometer. The thermometer that he invented was like this. Students, thermometer is a apparatus which is used to check your body temperature. So students, watch the video carefully and do the question answer that I'm sending with it. Thank you.